I can smell a rat.
Damn!
Yeah! Monday. Me and the shotgun got called out to this job because the customer has been done over by a rat. Now this ain't no normal rat. This is a South London rat. This is Raymondo. Raymondo's a legend in the game of hunting vermin in the deepest, darkest depths of South London. Now Raymondo's executed the problem. Me and the shotgun can get to work.
What we do, we need to make this one rigid. Let's run a coupler from this up. 245s back up onto that. That should give us enough room.
Hold up, I know what you're thinking. White waste pipe with black fittings. You can't do that. Don't worry, it's going to be on the toilet. No one will see it. But if it's proper getting on your nerves, let us know in the comments below. Let's Bosh this new waste pipe in. And the new pan connector. A bit of tidy Big Joe magic. Have that. Job's a good one. So we just need to cut an hole here, just around here. Just have a little look. Make sure Roland's not in there. Do you know what I mean? He might be in there. Having a chew. Don't you just love the sound of a multi-tool? Proper push you on edge. Let me know in the comments below if you've got one of these proper cushy inspection cameras where you can see behind the basin and bath without having to take tiles off. Right, no ninja rats found behind there. Real good. Lovely jubbly, my son. Now to seal the toilet back in, and me and Shotgun are glad to get out of here. Had enough of rats for one day.
So we're talking about beards, because I dyed my beard because Shane dyes his beard. I was getting too many grey hairs, but I look about 21 now. Maybe 20. What do you reckon? Any good? My missus likes it. Up the beard, gang.
Well, that's it, Piggles, for 2023. We'll see you in 2024. Have a Merry Boshmas and a cushy New Year.